When comparing AI language models, the debate often comes down to a few major players, and in this video, we're diving into Cohere versus OpenAI to see which one truly stands out. Both companies promise cutting-edge AI technology, but which one is more advanced when it comes to delivering high-quality language models? First off, let's talk about their core models. OpenAI's GPT models, like GPT-3 and GPT-4, have been industry standards for a while. They're known for their versatility, capable of understanding and generating text on nearly any subject you can think of. From complex academic articles to casual conversations, OpenAI's models handle it with a broad scope and impressive coherence. On the other hand, Cohere focuses on offering models that specialize in understanding and generating long-form content. They're targeting enterprises with a focus on providing highly customized language models tailored to specific business needs. While Cohere's models may not have the same mainstream recognition as OpenAI's, they're carving out a niche by providing businesses with more control over their model's behavior and outputs. Next, let's dive into the training and scalability. OpenAI has the massive backing of Microsoft, giving them immense resources to improve and scale their models. This allows OpenAI to consistently push the envelope with new versions, such as GPT-4, which has made significant improvements in reasoning, accuracy, and coherence. However, with all that power comes a hefty price tag, and OpenAI's models are often considered pricey for businesses and developers on a budget. Cohere, on the other hand, offers a more affordable solution with competitive pricing aimed at businesses that need powerful language models but don't want to break the bank. Cohere has also placed an emphasis on making their models more energy efficient, which could make them a more environmentally friendly choice for companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still leveraging AI. Now, let's talk about accessibility. OpenAI's API is well documented and widely available, with integration into a number of platforms, including Microsoft products like Word and Excel. It's a very user-friendly setup, which makes it an easy choice for developers looking to integrate AI into their apps and services. Cohere's API, while still powerful, is a bit more niche and often requires more technical expertise to integrate. While it's gaining traction in the enterprise space, it doesn't have the same level of third-party integration or community support that OpenAI has built over the years. The next thing to consider is customization. OpenAI has offered some customization options through fine-tuning, but this process is often limited to more advanced users. While it's certainly powerful, it can be difficult to tailor GPT models exactly how you want them. Cohere, however, has positioned itself as a leader in the customization game, offering businesses the ability to fine-tune their models with ease. This makes Cohere an appealing option for those who need highly specialized language models without jumping through too many hoops. But what about performance? Both models are impressive, but in different ways. OpenAI's GPT-4, with its refined reasoning abilities, is known for generating responses that feel almost indistinguishable from human writing. Cohere's models, while highly capable in long-form content, sometimes fall short when it comes to complex and highly nuanced tasks like advanced problem-solving or critical analysis. The fourth thing to think about is the ethical considerations. OpenAI has made headlines for its safety measures, including efforts to reduce harmful outputs, but critics often point out the model's occasional tendency to generate biased or harmful text. Cohere, too, is working on ethical considerations, but its smaller footprint in the market means it hasn't had the same level of public scrutiny. Finally, after trying both Cohere and OpenAI, it's clear these are two strong options for anyone looking to leverage AI in their business. They each have their strengths, but there's a better alternative for your specific needs. If you're looking for something that combines power, scalability, and ease of use, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that you won't find anywhere else. In conclusion, both Cohere and OpenAI bring something valuable to the table. But if you want the best experience for your business or project, go ahead and take advantage of the offer I've mentioned.